Running is simple, but knowing if you're doing it right, shouldn't that be simple too?
Great tempo run. You just set a new efficiency high score for this workout. With just 4 weeks until race day, you're improving at the right time.
You know that feeling? When running clicks, it feels effortless, like flying. But every runner knows it's not always sunshine and PRs like this. I've always been ambitious, tracking all my runs, but I was often left guessing, am I pushing too hard or not enough? Is my form holding me back? Too often, those unanswered questions meant setbacks and missed goals. And then I found Avelo, the world's smartest running shoe. A premium versatile super trainer, designed by and for runners. With an advanced, seamlessly embedded sensor that brings a coach to my feet and helps me evolve my running. They're super light and highly cushioned.
Let's go!
On the roads, they lived up to their name. The Super Trainer. Responsive for workouts, smooth on long runs, and comfortable enough for easy days. I can wear these for everything. Avelo isn't just a super trainer. It includes sensors in the midfoot of each shoe that captures every stride to coach you and make you a better runner. Using them is really easy. They pair quick, they track every run automatically, and even sync with my smartwatch. I can even run without my phone. And the best part, I never need to charge them. With Avelo, I'm done guessing. I have a smart coach on my feet that adapts to me. It pushes me hard when I need to.
This is a perfect pace. Let's keep it up.
And even recover at the right times. I can finally measure and track the physical pounding my body takes with every step. Far more insightful than mileage alone, it measures the impact of every run and builds a resiliency score over time. So I know when to push and recover. It measures my efficiency and helps me optimize, and shows me where there's room to improve. It educates me about my unique running form, and detects even subtle changes as I fatigue.
Let's go!
Avelo doesn't just log my miles, it understands my run.
Overstriding again? Let's get those feet back under your hips.
Pre gives me insights that help me train smarter, minimize setbacks, and smash my goals. Running will always humble you. It's never easy. And honestly, I don't want it to be.
Let's watch the cadence at your hard pace. I'm seeing signs of form breakdown.
But with Avelo, I'm finally learning how to work with my body, not against it. Running doesn't have to be a guessing game. And now you can know, because Pre knows.
Your resiliency score is staying in the right zones and adapting well. Time to increase the load next week. Get ready.
Avelo knows your limits, and you're not even close.